The automotive industry is shifting gears, and AI is in the driver's seat. Here are 10 AI-powered automotive businesses you can start for under $1,000. Number 1. AI Car Diagnostics Service. Use an OBD2 scanner with apps like Fixed or Carly to read error codes and generate instant repair reports. Offer mobile visits and charge per scan or monthly. Number 2. AI Vehicle Listing Optimization. Use ChatGPT, Canva, and Remove.bg to create clean, high-converting car listings for sellers and dealerships. Better photos, smarter copy, faster sales. Number 3. Predictive Maintenance Alerts. Use AI tools to track mileage, usage, and habits. Then send service alerts before breakdowns happen. Great for fleets, rideshare drivers, or family car owners. Number 4. Smart Car Valuation Reports. Pull market data, compare models, and offer automated car valuations to private buyers and sellers. Fast insights, priced right. Quick pit stop for the sponsor. If you're launching an auto business, don't stall on your website. EngineShark.com builds sleek, conversion-optimized sites with AI-powered features baked in, from lead capture to online booking. Whether it's diagnostics, detailing, or dealership, EngineShark helps you scale smarter. Tap the link in the description and let them tune up your online presence. Number 5. AI Chatbots for Dealerships. Use platforms like TDO or Chatbase to create bots that answer questions, recommend vehicles, and schedule test drives all day, every day. Number 6. AI Video Marketing for Car Sellers. Use tools like Synthesia or Pictory to create short, high-quality video tours of vehicles. Sell these to dealerships or upload for affiliate revenue. Number 7. Smart Inventory Auditing. Use AI-powered image recognition to scan VINs, track stock, and log vehicle condition. No clipboard needed. Number 8. AI-based Driving School Prep. Launch a digital service that simulates road scenarios, gives AI feedback, and helps new drivers prep for their test. Number 9. AI Scheduling for Auto Shops. Offer appointment tools that learn customer behavior and balance technician availability automatically. And number 10. Automotive Market Trend Reports. Aggregate AI-analyzed data from car listings, auctions, and reviews, and sell weekly or monthly trend reports to buyers or resellers. You don't need a garage or a fleet to start making money in automotive. Like, share, and subscribe, and check out EngineShark.com to put your auto business in the fast lane.